We've all been there. You're excited about your healthy meal prep for the week, only to find your carefully chopped veggies wilted and your chicken looking a little sad by Wednesday. It's enough to make you swear off meal prepping altogether and reach for takeout menus instead. But don't give up just yet. The key to successful meal prep is choosing ingredients that can go the distance. That's right, we're talking about those amazing foods that stay fresh for days, making your life a whole lot easier. No more food waste, no more last-minute dinner dilemmas. We're going to dive into the world of long-lasting foods that are perfect for meal prep. Get ready to discover your new favorite veggies, proteins, and grains that will have you saying goodbye to meal prep frustration and hello to delicious, convenient meals all week long. Life gets busy, we get it. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling multiple responsibilities, or just someone trying to keep up with the daily grind, it can feel like there's never enough time in the day. Between work, errands, family commitments, and trying to squeeze in some me time, healthy eating often takes a back seat. It's easy to fall into the trap of grabbing fast food or skipping meals altogether. But here's the thing, meal prep is your secret weapon for staying on track, even with a jam-packed schedule. By dedicating just a couple of hours each week to preparing your meals, you can set yourself up for success. Imagine this. You open the fridge after a long day, and instead of facing a wasteland of expired yogurt and questionable leftovers, you're greeted by a colorful array of prepped meals just waiting to be enjoyed. It's a game changer. It's like having your own personal chef, but without the hefty price tag. You get to enjoy delicious, nutritious meals without the stress of daily cooking. Not only does meal prep save you time and stress, but it also helps you resist those tempting takeout menus and vending machine snacks. When you have a healthy meal ready to go, it's easier to make the right choice. By having healthy meals ready to go, you're more likely to make nutritious choices and fuel your body with the good stuff. This means more energy, better focus, and overall improved well-being. Plus, let's not forget the money-saving aspect. Eating out less often means more cash in your pocket for the things you love. Whether it's saving for a vacation, investing in a hobby, or just having a little extra cushion in your budget, meal prep can help you get there. So why not give meal prep a try? Start small, maybe with just a few meals a week, and see how it transforms your routine. You'll be amazed at how much easier life can be when you have one less thing to worry about. Happy prepping!
Let's talk veggies. They're the foundation of any healthy meal, but some tend to wilt faster than others. Fear not, because plenty of sturdy vegetables can handle a week in the fridge without turning into a mushy mess. Think of cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, and they hold up exceptionally well for days. Root vegetables like carrots, beets, and parsnips are also great choices. Their tough exteriors protect their freshness, ensuring they stay crunchy and flavorful. Don't forget about leafy greens like kale and spinach. While they might seem delicate, they can actually last quite a while when stored properly. We'll share our secrets for keeping them fresh and vibrant a little later. Section 4. Storage savvy, keeping your veggies crisp and fresh. Here's the thing. Even the hardiest vegetables need a little TLC to stay fresh throughout the week. The key is proper storage. First things first, avoid washing your veggies until you're ready to use them. Excess moisture is the enemy of freshness, so keep those veggies dry. Store your pre-chopped veggies in airtight containers lined with paper towels. The paper towels will absorb any extra moisture, keeping your veggies crisp and preventing them from getting soggy. For leafy greens, wrap them in a damp paper towel and store them in a reusable bag or container. This helps retain moisture and keeps them from wilting. Remember those root vegetables. Store them in a cool, dark place like your pantry or a drawer in your fridge. This will help them stay firm and flavorful for longer.
Section 5. Protein power. Long-lasting options for your meal prep arsenal. Now let's talk protein. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. It's the building block of our bodies, and essential for feeling full and satisfied. When it comes to meal prep, choosing the right protein sources can make a significant difference in the quality and longevity of your meals. It's important to select proteins that not only meet your nutritional needs but also hold up well over time. But when it comes to meal prep, not all proteins are created equal. Some proteins are more perishable than others, and knowing which ones to use can help you avoid food waste and ensure your meals stay fresh and delicious. Some, like fish, are best enjoyed fresh. Fish is a fantastic source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, but it tends to spoil quickly. If you love fish, consider preparing it on the day you plan to eat it or freezing it immediately after cooking to preserve its quality. On the other hand, some proteins can handle a few days in the fridge without losing their quality. These proteins are ideal for meal prep because they maintain their taste and texture over time. Chicken breast is a meal prep staple for a reason. It's lean, versatile, and can be cooked in a variety of ways. Whether you grill, bake, or saute it, chicken breast remains tender and flavorful. Its versatility means you can use it in countless dishes, from salads and wraps to stir-fries and casseroles. Plus, it stores incredibly well, making it a reliable choice for your meal prep arsenal. When stored properly in airtight containers, cooked chicken breast can last up to 4 days in the fridge, ensuring you have a healthy protein option ready to go throughout the week. Hard-boiled eggs are another fantastic option. They're a protein powerhouse and make for a quick and easy snack or meal addition. Eggs are rich in essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutrient-dense choice. You can prepare a batch of hard-boiled eggs at the beginning of the week and store them in the fridge for up to a week. They're perfect for breakfast, as a salad topping, or as a protein-packed snack on the go. Don't forget about plant-based proteins. Lentils, chickpeas, and beans are all excellent sources of protein and fiber. These plant-based options are not only nutritious but also budget-friendly and environmentally sustainable. They hold up well in the fridge for days, making them a convenient choice for meal prep. You can cook a large batch and use them in various dishes throughout the week. Lentils, chickpeas, and beans are incredibly versatile and can be added to salads, soups, stews, or used as a base for veggie burgers. Their mild flavor allows them to blend seamlessly into a variety of recipes. Incorporating these plant-based proteins into your meal prep not only diversifies your diet, but also ensures you get a good mix of nutrients. They're also a great way to add texture and flavor to your meals. So whether you're a meat lover or prefer plant-based options, there's a protein source that fits your meal prep needs. By choosing proteins that store well and offer nutritional benefits, you can create delicious, long-lasting meals that keep you fueled and satisfied all week long. Section 6. Protein preservation tips and tricks for optimal freshness. In this section, we'll delve into the best practices for storing your proteins to ensure they remain fresh, flavorful, and safe to eat. Whether you're dealing with animal-based proteins like chicken or plant-based options like lentils, proper storage techniques can make a significant difference. Just like with veggies, proper storage is key for keeping your proteins fresh and delicious. Proteins can spoil quickly if not stored correctly, leading to food waste and potential health risks. By following these tips, you can extend the shelf life of your proteins and enjoy them at their best. Cooked chicken breast should be stored in airtight containers and kept in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. Airtight containers help to prevent exposure to air, which can cause the chicken to dry out and lose its flavor. Additionally, storing in smaller portions can make it easier to reheat only what you need. If you've cooked a large batch, consider freezing portions for later use. Freezing is an excellent way to preserve the quality of your proteins for a longer period. Make sure to label the containers with the date so you can keep track of how long they've been stored. Frozen chicken can last for up to 6 months without losing its quality. Hard-boiled eggs can be stored in their shells in the refrigerator for up to a week. Keeping them in their shells helps to protect them from absorbing other odors in the fridge and maintains their freshness. Peel them right before eating to maintain their freshness. Once peeled, hard-boiled eggs should be consumed within a day or two for the best taste and texture. For plant-based proteins, store cooked lentils, chickpeas, and beans in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. These proteins are a great addition to salads, soups, and other dishes, and proper storage ensures they remain ready to use. When reheating cooked chicken breast, Make sure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius to ensure it's safe to eat. Using a food thermometer is the best way to check this, as it ensures the chicken is heated evenly and thoroughly. You can reheat it in the microwave oven or on the stovetop. Each method has its advantages. The microwave is quick, the oven provides even heating, and the stovetop allows for more control over the process. Choose the method that best suits your needs and preferences. Remember to let your proteins cool completely before storing them in the refrigerator to prevent condensation from forming, which can lead to bacterial growth. Cooling your proteins properly also helps to maintain their texture and flavor, ensuring that they taste just as good when you reheat them later. By following these tips, you can enjoy fresh, delicious proteins every time.
Section 7. Grains gone strong. Carbs that can stand the test of time. Carbohydrates often get a bad rap, but they're an essential part of a balanced diet, providing us with energy and important nutrients. And when it comes to meal prep, certain grains are true champions of longevity. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also a good source of fiber and iron. Quinoa cooks up quickly and has a slightly nutty flavor that pairs well with a variety of dishes. Brown rice is another great option. It's a good source of fiber and has a chewier texture than white rice. For a heartier option, try farro. This ancient grain is packed with protein and fiber and has a satisfying, chewy texture. Like quinoa and brown rice, farro can be cooked in advance and added to salads, soups, or enjoyed as a side dish.